Ladies and gentlemen, today we are stepping into a time machine to 1954 when Mercedes-Benz redefined automotive excellence with the legendary 300 SL. And here in my hand is Bburago's 164 tribute to this Gullwing icon. Bburago's package always keeps it simple, clean and neat. So let's open this up. Bburago's models are known for being accessible yet detailed, perfect for collectors who want quality without breaking the bank. The Mercedes-Benz 300 SL in all its glory. The beautiful silver just screams 1950s sophistication. The real 300 SL wasn't just a car, it was a revolution. Born from Mercedes W194 race car, it was the first production car with fuel injection, making 215 horsepower, a monster in its day. Look at the details, the 3-point star, the chrome accent, and the unmistakable vertical grille. All perfectly scaled down. Even the headlights have period correct glassy look. And those gull wings though, beautiful. They weren't just for show, they were a necessity due to the car's tubular frame, pure racing DNA. For a budget-friendly model, Bburago delivers. Diecast metal body, solid weight in hand, rubber tires with realistic tracks and good-looking, near-realistic wheels. Tamper printed badge, no stickers here. An authentic badging, the 1950s classic. If you peek inside, you can actually see the bucket seats, steering wheel, even gear shifter. I think for 164, impressive attention to details. So enjoy some classic Gullwing shots. This Bburago 300 SL is more than a diecast. It's a pocket-sized piece of automotive history. Whether you're a Mercedes fan, a classic car lover, or just appreciate timeless designs, this model deserves a spot in your collection. If you enjoyed this blast from the past, give it a like, subscribe for more vintage unboxing, and ring that bell icon so you don't miss our next classic. Until then, drive with elegance.